There was a lot of music in the background, so today I would have to do voice over. So what I'm doing today is making pizza. It's my son's birthday, so I'm going to make pizza. They're going to get chicken nuggets and fries, and yeah, and we're just going to enjoy the day. So right now, what I'm doing, I'm adding my seasonings to the paste. Oh, they're also going to get cake. My husband is going to make chocolate cake and a vanilla cake. What I added to the paste was onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, that's dried oregano and crushed oregano, and I also add salt and basil leaves. If you're a person who likes to cook or try different recipes, you can always go ahead and try them. Do not limit your palate to just the regular Jamaican foods or the regular foods that you grew up on. You can always try something different on a Friday night or on a Monday night or even on a Saturday night. Try something different. I then poured some water in. I then added Parmesan cheese. So that is the mozzarella cheese. I'm also going to add white cheese. You can buy the grated version of the cheese or you can get it whole and it's cheaper that way. So the foods that are probably expensive to buy, you can always make it yourself and you get 3 times more than what you would actually buy. My husband decided to come into the camera and show his chocolate cake and vanilla cake. That is the Italian sausage that I use. It's my son's birthday. He's in the pool. My daughter came out. She was cold. Now I'm cutting my veggies. I'm going to wash it with vinegar. Now I'm adding sugar and I also going to add some warm water and nutritional yeast. I let that sit for a while. Then I added some salt. So that's 1 cup of flour, and then I'm going to add another. 2 corks full of olive oil. So what I usually do is to use the fork first and stir it up a bit. Then I use my hand and make the dough. The dough is supposed to have a little bounce back action in it when you poke it like that. Yes, so it's supposed to bounce back. So I let the dough sit under a wet napkin. Then I put some cornmeal on a tin tray. Then I use some flour on the cutting board and on the rolling pin. Then I rolled out my dough. After I rolled out my dough, I add the paste to it after eating it up. When it's heated, I added my cheese, my cheese first, then my Italian sausage, then my vegetables, then I'm going to add Parmesan cheese. On the crust, I wrapped some regular Jamaican cheese. I don't know the name of that cheese. I think it's cheddar cheese. So I wrapped some of those in the crust. And there you go, my finished pizza. Okay, so that is the finished look. I know it doesn't look cheesy here, but it is very cheesy. But if you want more cheese than that, you can always put more cheese on it if you want. And it was very delicious. So whenever you want to do something out of the norm, you can go ahead and make a pizza. It doesn't hurt to try. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.